got a hot topic today, as you might see from the little whatever it is. Just throw away your damn eggshells, dude. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? If you just leave them in there, like, why? What's the point? Oh, I just have to throw away the whole box at some point. Like, might as well just keep them in there. No, man, you're wrong. It's evil, man. It's like, it's fucking like, it's like hardcore, like Darth Vader, like fucking. I don't know where I'm going with this. You know, you might be fooled by the title of the video and think I'm gonna like just like debate like on like the pros and cons of like leaving the eggshells in the carton or just like throwing them away immediately. And I'm not gonna debate. Like, just throw the fucking shells away, man. Like, I understand if you're making like a lot of eggs or something, you know, just like keep them all in there or whatever. Just like throw them away afterwards. It's fucking nasty. I understand I'm probably like calling out like at least one dude, but the toy, get it away from me, dude. No. It's probably like not even in focus. I've just been like not even recording the entire time.
I'll be your cameraman. You're 16 seconds.
Doom, doom, doom.
I think you should be sitting down.
I should be sitting. Where am I gonna sit?
Right there.
What? Comment down below if you prefer white eggs or brown eggs and why. Yeah. Still got Halloween stuff coming soon. Yeah, that's just about it. Fucking leave a like and subscribe or whatever. Yeah. Bro!